Now that we've gotten this far with this design, I'd like to point out a problem. We don't have anywhere we're going to be able to screw in the eyelets that guide the car along the track, along the tether. So we need to create a pad at the front and at the back into which we can screw the eyelet. So here we go. What I need to do first is choose the pad icon, and then I need to choose a plane to sketch on. In this case, it's going to be the ZX plane. So now what I'm going to do is come in here, and I like to use the spline tool for this, but you could use pretty much any shape you like as long as it does the job for you. So now I'm going to go from the centre line around here with a spline like that. I'm going to double click to stop that, and then I'm going to start the spline again, coinciding it on there, and just try and mirror it on that side, close the spline. Now if I exit out of there, let's see what we've got. Okay, well, we've got a problem. So first of all, I'm going to take that down that way, and what I want to do is, well, we know that from that plane down to the underside of the car is 31.75 because that's the way we set it up. So if I go 31.75 and preview that, it should go to the bottom of the car, which it does. But now this is sitting too high along here. So what I need to do is choose a second limit. And now I can reduce the size of this until it's inside the shell, and then, and this is a bit tricky, go back up to next. Now let's see what that looks like. If I preview that, there, from the inside it goes up to the next surface and stops, despite the fact that the sketch is sitting way up here on the ZX plane. So that's one done, and we can do a similar thing on the back here. So here we go again, choose pad, select the sketch on the ZX plane. This time I'm going down the back, and I might just roll it over so that I can have a better look at what I'm doing. So again, I'm going to choose the spline tool. What I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and build on this shape here. And spline tool again. Now just going to tidy this up a little bit so it looks how I want it to look. And of course, to close the shape I'm going to need to draw a straight line across there. Now if I exit out of that, what have we got? Same problem again. So first of all, I'm going to reverse that. It already knows about the 31.75 from the previous pad, but if we were to preview that, we'll find that we've now got a pad inside the canister hole, which isn't going to do us much good. So again, we'll have to use the second limitation. So I'm going to reduce that back down here and select up to next. Now we have two pads into which we can screw the tether guides. If you're not happy with the shape of them, you can go back and adjust the sketches. Other than that, we've done the job.